Guys, you need to stop calling Sdumo Mtshali Jonas. Come on now. Ladies, calm down. Calm down. He was acting.
Hi, I'm Sdumo Mtshali. I play Jonas Gomora.
And I'm Gugu Gumede, and I play Joyce Gomora.
On The Polygamist, now playing on Netflix.
Hello everyone, Gelruchisanak and welcome to my channel. So, the character of Jonas Gomora, played by none other than Sdumo Mtshali on the supernovela The Polygamist on Netflix, has been trending ever since it premiered this past Friday. And I mean, it's trending everywhere, when a TikTok, when a Facebook, when a X. It's trending more than the World Cup. Now, the man that is playing the character of Jonas Gomora, which is Sdumo Mtshali, has ranged for days. So I thought we should do a video to see where it all started for the actor Sdumo Mtshali and to see the build-up to this massive character, Jonas Gomora, that is now international.
Thousands came from all over the nation, competing to be South Africa's next leading man. Most didn't make the grade.
Hey man, Jeff, why me?
Until one young man from Durban arrived.
Hi, what's your name?
Sdumo Mtshali.
I've always wanted to do film, and this class act thing, it's something that I really want.
But no, Temba doesn't arrive. He's not available, as usual.
Sdumo, I think we should put him through. I don't think he's going to win it.
Definitely he's going to surprise you.
Love surprises.
Sdumo Mtshali was one of 10 who were chosen for a 10-week film boot camp, starring in short movies judged by you. Each week, Sdumo excelled in comedy, romance, and action.
Sdumo, you are explosive. You are fantastic. I want to see you on the big screen.
In the final, he was up against Muzi Clyde.
Just like that. The winner of last act, please put your hands together. Give it up for Sdumo! Yeah!
Sdumo won 8 weeks at the New York Film Academy, which led to leading roles in Rhythm City, Intersections, and Inside Story.
Okay, so in 2010, a homebrewed South African talent show, Class Act, was launched on SABC1. They were scouting for the talented actor around South Africa, so they used to hold open auditions live on TV. After the live auditions, they used to select the top 10 best actors. Those actors acted different genres or different scenes every week. They got a chance to be voted in or eliminated every week. So the show was very intense but very good at picking talent, to a point that even those that did not win are either doing well even today or are not struggling with acting. Anyway, these Sdumo Mtshali ended up winning season 1, and as they say, the rest is history. Ever since that time, Sdumo kept proving why he is the winner of Class Act season 1. And the word typecast and Sdumo Mtshali do not exist in one sentence. Sdumo has played a philanderer of a DJ who ends up getting HIV on Intersections. He has played a very naive, innocent guy who was abandoned by his mother on Saints and Sinners. He has played a thug alongside Tusombedu on Isithunzi. All those characters are nothing alike. There are many other characters that he played that are nothing alike. It is no surprise that he killed the Jonas Gomora character, to a point that it's now added on the list of the most hated characters.
When's that?
Ngisesikoleni mos.
Izoshesha le.
Hayi uzongifaka trouble noprincipal baby.
Yazini, uzofika kwesakho umgqibelo ntambama. Phathela ibhadi lenkukhu.
Yo, yes, yo, mgqibela never ngikhona yazi. Fanele ngisize umngane nami ngaroko lakhe le-basketball yazi.
Football.
Ingomgqibelo ebusuku.
Oh, yangimema.
Awu. Uyazazi ukuthi umntana kangakanani wena? Ha, aneva bakuvumele.
Hamba noba.
Angilapho.
Angislima wena.
Angiqambela manje ngokuthi kwamele ngisize umamncane ne-order likhulu emshonelo.
Mina, wena usiza wonke umuntu la kaphela umoya.
Okay, kwamele ngenzeni ukuthi ungithembeke?
Yazini. Ngiyaqloka la. Yo.
Ngisesikoleni mos.
Uyayifunda ethi mina uyifunda. Wena usebenzele. Ngislima.
Lididi leli.
Sibusese. Thandeka.
Sawubona.
Sawubona.
Ngiphile. Ngimbisile.
Seyibhizile. Seyibhizile. Lalela sithando sami. Ngifuna usitshele ukuthi sithini kodokotela ukuthi bakwazi ukukusiza yazo.
Sana sami, cela ungilalele.
Ya.
Ngidinga ukuthi ungidedele. Ngidedele sana sami. Cela sana sami.
Ngeke uzokubana lapho. Ungakhulumi kanjalo. Hawu.
Sana sami.
Ya.
Ngiyacela.
Uzokhuluma kanjalo. Ngayikhuluma leyo inkulumo sibusisi. Ngezwe.
Ubaba. Uyimi kahle kahle. Mubuyela ubaba. Lo wala ekhaya. Lo wena umbiza ngoHitler.
Hayi donka kakhulu.
Cha uyazi ukuthi ubaba manje sithatha.
Hayi nangenza nange ngene.
Cha.
Hayi bothula. Ngene.
Ngithula ngoba ngithanda ngesabo.
Oh.